Today, I'm going to show you how you can move from completion handlers to async await. Now, if you like these types of tutorials or you want to meet me on a one-on-one Zoom call where we can learn more about SwiftUI related stuff, or you want me to debug your code, go ahead and check out redeveloper.com, and I will see you on a Zoom call there. Okay, so what I have done is just started a brand new Xcode project. And let's just say there is a model inside our project, and that would be a struct called profile. There we go. It would just have a name, just a simple one, so we can just use it as placeholder. Okay, so we just have this profile. By the way, let's have a little bit more space. There we go. So here is our profile. And then we would just have, kind of an old API with completion handlers. And then you are going to move away from that to the asynchronous way of doing things. But for now, let's just create that kind of old API that you might have if you are dealing with older code. So let's just create our struct called old API. And let's have a static function called fetch profiles. Fetch profiles. And here's our function. Now, when we are fetching our profiles, it will just return them from the server, which will take some time. So previously to Swift concurrency, what we did is just use completion handlers. So let's build out one right over here. Right over here in the declaration of our function, we are just going to say completion. There we go. And we are going to add in here a completion. This is basically a completion. It could be like this void in older versions, but I would prefer this one. Now, what are we actually returning? Well, an array of profiles. So let's just add in here profile. There we go. And this will be completing with an array of profiles. It could be an empty array profile, or it could be a non-empty array of profile, which is fine. So let's just create some profiles. So let profile 1 equals profile with the name of Ada. And then let's duplicate this profile 2 of Bob, whatever. Okay. And now we are just going to return an array of those two, profile 1 and profile 2.